Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the two and compare and contrast them through analyzing specific points on each. So when we look at a story, what are some elements that we look at? Yeah.
The characters.
What?
The characters.
The characters, okay. Chloe?
Setting.
What was that?
Setting.
Setting, okay.
Plot.
Plot, good. Anything else? Yeah, Christina.
Word choices.
Word choices, that's a good one. I like it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
The problems.
The problems, so the conflicts that the characters come into and whatnot. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to do the first two problems you're going to do with me, and then you are going to get with your partners, do the next two problems, and the double bubble map on the back. So let's look at the first one. It says, number one, think about the main setting of Riki Tiki Tavi. In what ways was it different in the movie than how you had imagined it? Yeah, and
The one just went like at Roadrunner speed.
the what?
The one just looked like Roadrunner.
Okay. Okay. Someone else? Yeah, that's right.
The garden looked a lot bigger than I thought it was.
Interesting. Okay, why do you think that?
Well, because in the movie it looked really huge, and I imagined it a lot smaller than that.
Okay. Was there anything in the story that made us think that the garden might have been smaller? Can you think about that? Yeah, Rylan.
Because like all the different types of food, like quickly and easily accessed.
Okay. So maybe we thought that he couldn't move as far in the story than he did in the movie? Because if you remember in the movie, he went pretty fast, huh? Yeah, I was surprised too. Is there anything else? Yeah.
The family looked like rich, and I didn't really expect them to be that rich.
Okay.
I thought the boy was like smaller, like the family, because the way that they were so scared about him, and I just imagined him as a younger age than what in the movie.
Okay. Okay, so in the first question, you're going to write down what you think was different than how you imagined it. So some of the things we can talk about is the garden. And what else did we say? The wealth of the family. So that's characterization. What could the garden be an element of? The setting. Good job. Okay. Is everyone good on question number one? Yeah. Can I get a thumbs up if you're good? Okay. So number two. Now think about Riki Tiki specifically. Explain how he was different from or similar to how you imagined. You can think about that for a second and then we can
Looked more like a chipmunk in the movie.
talk. Okay. Did anyone think or know what a mongoose looks like beforehand? Yeah, Chloe, what do you think it looked like?
Well, I thought, okay, so in the story, I thought it would be like more kind of squirrely, but then in the movie, it looked kind of like
Like a ferret. That's exactly what I thought. I thought, has anyone seen a ferret? Yeah, they're kind of longer. Yeah. Yeah,
I
Christina.
thought it would be like the mongoose would be a little bigger because if it would be like eating up a steak, then I would be thinking that it would be bigger, but it looks so small.
Yeah. I thought that too. Especially snakes are really powerful. So just think about how a mongoose must be if it can defeat a snake. That's a pretty big deal. So maybe we can talk about how Riki Tiki was smaller than we thought. What else? What about his strength?